Hey guys, yes, SJ3 here. Hanging out with my bird. He's growing his flight feathers back. What you gonna do? Gonna have to fix that, but whatever. What are you doing? Yeah, you see he's got his flight feathers back right here. Starting to grow them up here now. Actually, I don't know if those are the flight feathers or not, but well, he is better at flying now, that's for sure. You guys never make videos. You guys never make sound in videos. Yep, he's somewhere in, he just landed on top of a baking soda box. You just gonna explore for a minute? Come here, dude. Alright, I'm gonna go put him back in his... Okay, they're back in their cage. Oh, there's a new one. He's the new one, since my other one died. Despite the elevated efficiency, an average of 55%. This is why I shack my shuka on an induction cooktop. Induction uses an electrical current traveling through a copper coil to generate an alternating magnetic field, which can create heat directly in. He's also getting his flight feathers back, but that's another video in itself. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yee.